Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well today. I have a couple things that I want to share with you all, but before we get into the video, I just want to briefly mention a couple things. And that is, I had posted a comment on my community page on Everything Paulette that I had caught the flu bug. I know it is a bit early in the season, but in some places, the weather is very chilly some days, and other days it is very hot. All right, and I just want to say thanks to all of you that left warm, heartfelt comments. I truly appreciate them all. And I did get a lot of rest, and it was a good thing that I had a few videos scheduled already. That helped a great deal. And I just want to say, be safe, be careful, and please guys, don't let your guard down. All right, we can't afford to. All right, so moving on to the next. To all my new subscribers, hi, I am Paulette, and I am so happy to have you here. I just want to thank you for all your encouraging comments, guys, because at the end of the day, that really helps us to keep chugging on and to keep doing what we love to do best. So thank you all so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. And also, please subscribe. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit that twice so that you will know every time I upload a new video. You will be notified. All right? So that's it. All right, so we're gonna get into the video, and the first thing I want to mention is I won $100 first prize. Woo! Wow, guys, I still cannot believe that I won $100. God is really good, and He's good all the time. And no matter what, who try to stand in your way, what God has for you, it is for you, and no one can take it. All right, and the name of that channel is the 4 R's Thrifting, and her name is Judith. What I can say about Judith, I know she has a big heart. She is a very God-fearing person, and she's very humble. And to me, that says everything. So Judith, I want to thank you for choosing me, and I want to wish you all success on your channel, and I hope that God will continue to bless you and that you will do awesome. I am here to support you, and you can depend on that. All right, so guys, I'm going to leave the link to that video either in an iCard or in the description box below. So I am asking you all to go over to Judith's channel and show her a lot of love. You will love her. She's just a sweet lady. All right, so guys, with that being said, I have an unboxing, and it's from MacKenzie Childs. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so one more thing. I had mentioned in one of my recent videos that I was going to do a little giveaway of this lemon, salt, and pepper shakers. And FYI, I don't think everyone had gotten the memo, and I think it's only fair that I extend the giveaway for another month. That way, most of you will get a chance to enter and to be eligible. All right, and all you have to do, guys, is to subscribe to Summer Breeze Country Cabin Living and leave me a comment in the comment section. That's all you have to do. And instead of announcing it on the 29th of this month, I will be announcing it on October 31st. So mark your calendars, and Godspeed to whoever wins. All right, so let's do this. All right, so what do you think? What do you think it is? Do you have any idea? Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, so it's well padded. All right, and I also switched places where the lighting here is just a little bit better. All right, so here it is in this beautiful MacKenzie Childs box. Looks like a real glamorous shoe box. So here it is, and that's what's inside. Santa Nutcracker set of 4 stacking mugs, and it's MacKenzie Childs. All right. Ta-da! Is she beautiful, or is she gorgeous? So beautiful, guys. So beautiful, and I cannot wait to use these in my new kitchen. All right. And I love that it has the black handles. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to try to take it out for you and give you a closer look. And I love that it has this plastic cap on the end of each one, you know, to protect the mugs from getting scratches. I love that. How beautiful, guys. And that's MacKenzie Childs. There you go. Okay, just beautiful. Oops, out of range. All right. I cannot wait to use these. I cannot wait to use them. And here is the other one. I love the black handle. And there's the other one. Okay. Right. And the last one. Just gorgeous, guys. Beautiful. All right. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, guys. That's all I have for you today. I want to thank you for watching, for liking the videos, for taking time out of your busy schedules, and for watching. I cannot say enough, guys. Thank you all so much, and God bless. God willing, I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.